Alright y'all, so today I'm just gonna make a quick little salmon quinoa bowl because I'm on my health is wealth, but I'm always like that to begin with. So I just got home and literally y'all, it's like the quickest meal to make and that's what I'm about to do. So it's super easy. I'm gonna show y'all what I do in case y'all want to make it yourself, but yeah, it's honestly so easy and it's nothing to it. I'm about to add this seafood seasoning that this guy sent me. He's a chef and he be cooking. So basically I put the coconut oil because normal oil is just not good for you. Like coconut oil balances like your hormones, like your stomach, your digestive system, and it's like if you're not using coconut oil, then what exactly are you doing? But yeah, I just put this on it. But honestly, if you don't have this, just season it with like what you typically have. But I do recommend this one because like y'all, fire. And I'm trying not to use like too many seasonings anyway because like why am I putting all that stuff on something so simple, right? Like I used to be like, oh, like the white people be ODing, but it's like, do they really be ODing? No, they know something that we don't. And it's like I do not need all that seasoning on something so simple, right? So it's like I'm just gonna keep it real simple, real cute. And yeah, we about to fry that. And I'm also about to make some couscous. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. I'm about to make this as well. The dishwasher is 10 out of 10 clutch because sometimes I really don't want to do all this stuff. And y'all, it cooks so fast, like literally. Honestly, I should put a bit more because it made a lot, but like we're OD hungry. But I'm gonna just follow the bad directions for now. So yeah, so you pour your couscous inside. Make sure you get like all the rest of it. Yeah, it cooks so fast. Like you really have to like high key hurry up so like it doesn't just overcook basically. You add some salt to your couscous. This salt is like the super baked grain salt, so like be careful if you're gonna use the same salt. And then I'm gonna add some butter to your couscous. That's what I call it. I don't know if people call it couscous, if that's like the actual name of it, but it's gonna have to be the name today. So yeah, you do that, and you can turn the stove down a little bit, because I be having the stove so high for no reason. And y'all, do you see how fast it cooks? Like, if you're a lazy cooker, like make sure you get you some couscous. It's honestly better for you than rice, because like it has way more vitamins and minerals and all that kind of stuff. And look at it, like y'all, fire. So just let that cook. And yeah, once it's done, you're gonna like fluff it out. And yeah, our salmon is still cooking. We're about to just like flip this. There goes Kyra. So we're just gonna flip this. Yeah, exactly. And I've never even cooked on YouTube before. So we gonna, yeah, look at that. Exactly, exactly. Right? Let that do what it does. Let that do what it does. It's doing what it do. How it do it. How it does it. Right?
How you does it is how you do.
Right. So y'all, look at that. Exactly. 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 And it has to look like this. Fluffy. So nice. So we can probably take our salmon out now, because I like it super like blackened salmon, and it looks pretty done to me. Oh, it's so hot. Yeah. So those are done. We're just going to put those in a bowl. Just put that in there. And honestly, it's so filling. Like you don't feel heavy when you eat it either, but like it's super filling. Like it may not look like much, but like when you add everything else onto it, 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm like making an entire mess because I'm literally rushing Cause I'm tired, y'all. I've literally been outside all day. But yes, put the remainder of that in there. And then for our salmon, we're literally just going to place our salmon right at the top of it. Yeah. They cannot even fit in a bowl. And with coconut oil, so you just place those in there, and then, you gotta hear me. There for like the seasoning that I already seasoned it with. And yeah, I'm not gonna add any extra seasoning to it because all the seasoning that was on the fish is still in here. And again, I'm really not trying to over season because what is the point? So I'm just gonna saute these, gonna cut up some peppers on the side, put some avocado, and y'all, fire, flames, okay? Just gonna let this cook a little bit and we'll get back to that. Let's cut up these onions, not onions, these bell peppers. Those not even on y'all, y'all didn't even tell me. Y'all are like the worst people to cook with. How y'all don't tell me that the stove was not even on? So yeah, just basically put those in there. Add some more coconut oil if you need some more. Well, you're gonna need some more because it's gonna dry up. But yeah. And then I'm about to cut these. Ew, what is that? Did it leak? That's so weird. Knife. These are gonna go in after because I want them to fry separately. So we're gonna put that in after. This knife is like the best knife. Like, I don't know where I got this from. Like, if y'all can tell, like, I have worn this thing out. It may not seem like the best knife, but trust me, y'all. Trust me on this one. So cut these bad boys up. This has been such, like, I don't want to say it's a chaotic video, but like, it's not like your normal video. So if this video just so how happens to like go crazy viral, just make sure I said what I said. I'm gonna show y'all the ingredients that I use. Well, y'all seen the ingredients that I use, so there's really not much to it. Like, this is really like, you're home from work, you don't want to do too much, and yeah, you're just making yourself a little dinner that's healthy. No salt, not salt, no sugar, or no, like, you know, nothing too crazy. So yeah, cut those baddies up. And I'm making a serving right now for 2. So yes. And this is the seasoning that I'm about to sprinkle on the mushrooms as well, because it's just fire. And the guy that sent this to me, he don't even talk to me no more, because you know how men, but it's okay because his stuff slap, and I'ma still give credit when it's due, so that don't even matter. So yeah, make sure y'all sprinkle this. Y'all, fire. We love a caramelized mushroom, and I was never even like a mushroom fan to begin with, but y'all, mushrooms, grow up. If you don't eat mushrooms, grow the hell up, okay? But yeah, let them cook, let them do what they do. Like, I used to go to Sweet Green so much, and not even so much, but like I would go for like bowls and things like that and plate it. And the good part about it is that it's coconut oil, so it's like, even if you have like excess oil, like, it's literally fine because coconut oil is so good for you. That's why, like, it's better to use like coconut oil when it comes to things like this, because, you know, nobody want to have like no type of heart issues or like anything like that. So the more coconut oil, to be honest, the better. So yeah, put that on there. And in that same pan, I'm about to put the onions, well, the red peppers that I just cut up. Just gonna let those fry. let those cook for now. Gonna clean this up. Next, you just cut open your avocado. Just slice it right down the center. Drop her wherever you want to drop her. I like to get all of it out because avocados are not cheap and they're healthy fats too. So I'm literally about to use both of them because yeah, I need to have all of my fats. Mad good. Now I'm about to just like drizzle this like sauce that I made with like sriracha and vegan mayo over it, like so. You can put as much as you want, honestly. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. And yeah, y'all, that is tonight's dinner. Look at that, y'all. Exactly. This fire. It's so quick, it's so easy. And yeah, that's my meal for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll probably make a new one or a better one a different time. Bye.